We are all familiar with linear equations, where the highest power of x is 1. Now we are going to deal with quadratic equations, where the highest power of x is 2. This is how to expand the brackets of an expression like this. X times x is x squared. Alpha times x is alpha x. X times beta is beta x. And alpha times beta is alpha beta. Alpha x and beta x can still be added, and this is our result. So the process of finding the values of alpha and beta in order to move from the right side to the left side of the equation is called factorization. But this particular process works only when the coefficient of x squared equals 1. If you still don't understand, don't worry. Everything will make more sense as we take some examples. To calculate the value of x, we need to find two specific numbers in which their sum equals 5 and their product equals 6. These numbers are 3 and 2. Since 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 3 times 2 equals 6. So they can be written in the brackets as x plus 3 times x plus 2. When the multiplication of two numbers equals 0, it means at least one of the numbers must equal 0. So A equals 0 or B equals 0. With this logic, x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals minus 3 or minus 2. To prove this, when you replace x with minus 3, you would get 0. And it also works when you replace x with minus 2. Whenever x is raised to the power of 2, then it would most likely have two different solutions. So, using the same factorization method, we need to find two numbers that when added equals minus 5, but when multiplied equals 6. Without thinking too much, you should get minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 equals minus 5, and minus 3 times minus 2 equals 6. X minus 3 times x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals 3 or 2 as the final answer. Example 3. The coefficient of x is 1 and the constant number is minus 6. So the values of alpha and beta are 3 and minus 2. Fill them in the brackets and x equals minus 3 or 2. Finally, the coefficient of x is minus 1 and the constant is minus 6. So what are the values of alpha and beta? Yeah, that's right. 2 and minus 3. So x minus 3 times x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 3 or minus 2. Wonderful. But when the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1, how can we find x? Click on the video below to find out.